It's Friday, August 29th, 2014, and let's talk about what happened this week over at xdadevelopers.com. First up, an interesting app update. Back in April, a story was posted about an app called Secrecy, which allows you to encrypt files on your devices using AES 256 encryption. The problem with the app, when it was released, was that it was closed source, but as of this week, the developer, XDA senior member Doppelganger, went ahead and released the source for it. The link to his GitHub repo can be found in the portal post, so if you were concerned about the security of your files before when using this app, now you can check out the source, see exactly how those files are being encrypted, and feel all nice and warm and fuzzy inside. Next up, a bit of an amusing exposed module popped up on the portal this week. If you're familiar with the Guardians of the Galaxy comic series or the recent movie based upon it, you've probably heard of Groot. Unfortunately, I'm not in the loop with all of that yet. I don't get out much. But from what I understand, Groot has one line and one line only. I am Groot! Because of that, XDA forum member Mick Mitch put together an exposed mod that, well, Grootifies your device. It changes the text fields, it adds sound effects, and it's configurable so you can pick out which part of your device you want to be Grooted. I'm not really sure of the inherent usefulness of this mod, but it certainly has its place out there for the Groot fans among us, I suppose. And to wrap things up, two stories popped up on the portal which probably ought to be updated, since more information has come to light about them since they were first posted. First, LG revealed they're working on a new Android Wear device called the G Watch R this week. It's going to have a round face, and it's going to look quite similar to a traditional watch instead of the large, bulkier smartwatches we've seen so far. The pricing on it is supposed to come in at around $300, but I think we'll know a little more about it after the IFA event. Similarly, Samsung revealed they're going to be coming out with a new watch as well. They're calling the Gear S. But this one is going to be running Tizen again, and surprisingly enough, it's going to have a 3G modem in it, so it can send and receive messages and calls and have data and everything. SIM slot and everything. Now again, not sure on the pricing or availability of this one, but again, we'll probably know more after IFA. I still think it would be pretty interesting to have a device you can wear on your wrist that will do everything a smartphone can. Amazing for joggers and things like that. So I'm curious to see how this pans out. Finally, 3 other videos were posted to XDA Developer TV this week. TK did another Exposed Tuesday talking about setting quiet hours on your phone using X quiet hours, and then Adam made a video talking about automating software builds using Jenkins, and TK did another Android app review talking about speeding up your phone using CPU Monitor. But you know what? That's going to be about all from me for today. You can find the links to all the stories I talked about down in the video description, as well as the links to my YouTube channels. Remember, if you like this video, leave us a like down below the video, subscribe to receive our content as soon as it becomes available. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.